No warning, like a flash of light. And I was doing fine, but as you came in, I watched my future rewrite. I'm not ready, I'm not prepared. I was so steady on my feet, but now I'm up in the air.
Guys, cut!
It's just you.
Well, we met naman sa scene. We always see each other, probably mga 2018, 2019 sa scene na magbabattle, ganyan. So, papansin lang talaga siya. He is very, maalaga. Siya yung mas, acts of service sa amin. Like, he's someone who really serves me in anything na nakakahiya na minsan hindi ko alam kung paano siya masusuklian. Wow, may ganon.
Hi, Day. Kumusta? Akalain mo yun, ikakasal ka sa crush mo. Maalalahanin. Yan siya. So, lagi niya akong iniisip. So, lahat ng bagay gusto niya akong kasama. So, yan siya. Pareho tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Sabi nga nila, parang ikaw yung best version na babaeng ako. Pareho ng pagmamahal sa pamilya, gusto at hilig at higit sa lahat. Pareho tayong, sinabi ko, kuripot pero practical.
Sana excited ka na. I know you're excited. I'm so excited to see you later. I'm so excited to finally lock this life with you. Get to understand each other better din. Tas, sobrang natural lang. Nakakatakot, pero may ganun pala, no? Sobrang natural lang lahat nagpo-flow. He asked me out a lot of times. After that event, he chatted me back and asked me, like, in Bisaya. Nagpapatulong siya sa papa niya ata. Na, like, want to go out with me, have coffee. Tapos ngayon ko lang pala na-realize, guys, na hindi pala siya nagko-coffee daw, sabi ni Ina. Tapos nagko-coffee out lang siya with me. Kung mapapansin si Kuya, ganyan na lang.
Young Money, Nicki Minaj, Justin. Show you off tonight. I wanna show you off.
Paano siya nanligaw sa akin? Okay. So, hindi kami kasi ni Casey, pareho kaming dance battlers. So, lagi kami naglalaban sa mga battle. Tapos, hindi pa siya nanalo sa akin. Feeling ko kasi kaya niya ako, papakasalan para lagi na siyang panalo sa akin. So, joke lang.
Magpapakasal ka na, alam kong mabait ka, be a good husband, and magiging father ka na rin, be responsible. Turuan mo magsayaw.
May bago kaming pag-aawayan. Kasi, PS5. Binan niya ako PS5. Okay, thank you. Malalaro ko na yung Resident Evil 4 na ano, na remake. Actually, siya yung lahat ng ano eh, nag-ano talaga ng event na to. Sa namin. So, ano gusto niya kasi ano eh, medyo OC siya. So, gusto niya siya yung gumagalaw lahat. Ayaw niya na may mali. So, ganun siya. So, and I thank you very much for loving me, for choosing me. Salamat sa lagi ka nagpapasensya sa akin kahit sobrang kulit ko.
Take a bow. Yeah, I'm the hottest ticket now. We gonna party like it's 30.
How to be surprised?
Congrats, Inday. Love you.
Love you. Yay.
Thank you for everything. I love you.
Love you. Ah.
It's all about you. When the music makes you move, baby, do it like you do. In time, ink lines, bitches couldn't get on my incline. World tours, it's mine. 10 little letters and a big sign.
Pinapangako kung abutin natin sabay ang ating pangarap, mamahalin ka at magiging mabuting asawa panghabang buhay. Alam ko, never ka pang nanalo sa akin sa lahat ng dance battle natin. Pero simula ngayong araw na to, manalo, matalo, ikaw pa rin ang manalo sa puso.
I will never get tired of listening to all your Marites and Chika anytime, any day. I will go with you on more road trips, food trips, sound trips, and kung anumang trip mo. I vow to dance with you in life and in love, through thick and thin, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part. I love you.
When